Hello my wonderful people. So in this tutorial we are going to be looking at sequences and series. Then the first one we're going to be looking at is arithmetic sequence, or we call it linear sequence, LS. So we have linear sequence here. So anywhere you heard arithmetic sequence or linear sequence, so they are both the same. So now looking at this, now when you look at the pattern here now, so you will see a particular pattern. You see how this, how this move. So now if you look at this, we have 47, we have 42, we have 37, we have 32. So if you look at the difference between 47 and 42, between this and this, between 37 and 32, you'll see that we have common difference. So that is why in arithmetic sequence, there's something that is very, very important, and that is common difference. So they are going to have the common difference. But another thing I would like you to know, that from 47, 42, you can see that it's decreasing. So it's coming down, so by 5. And anything decrease, that is a subtraction, that is minus. So this is telling us that here, there's something we need. We need our common difference. Okay, we need common difference. So the common difference here will be T2, that is the term 2, term minus T1. Okay, so will be 42, take away what? Take away 47. Understood? So, and we are going to have what? We're going to have our common difference D to be minus 5 here. Another thing that is very, very important is our first term. The first term is what? The number, the first number on the list. That is our first term, which is represented to be what? To be A. So it is 47. Understood? So now the next thing we're going to do is that looking at this sequence now, let's go back to the question. Find the 8th term. This is where we are going. So what will be the position? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. We only have 4 terms now. So what will now be the number in the position of what? In 8th position. That is what they want us to know. So instead of disturbing ourselves trying to look for it, we can just use formula direct. Now the formula is this: t to the power of n, that is number of 10, equal to, for linear sequence, equal to a plus n minus 1, then d. So now Tn is where we are going. So our n is 8. We're going to have T8, then equal to, what is our A? The first term, it is 47. We'll put 47 here. Then plus n is 8. 8 take away 1. And D, which is what? Minus 5. We put the minus 5 here. Are you following? Good. So the next thing we're going to do here, we're going to have what? We're going to have 47 plus, now 8 take away 1, we have 7. So that will be 7 multiplying this. All right, so from there, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to have what? We're going to have 47 plus times minus, we have minus 30, what? 35. So now 47 take away 5. So what are we going to have? So we're going to have what? We're going to have, that will be 12. So that is telling us that when you get to 8th position, so what you are going to see here is what? Is 12. And that's it. If you find the class very interesting, do not forget to share to your friends so they can learn better. Thank you so much for watching once again. Bye. So we continue from there in our next class. Bye-bye.